Hello, so my friend Beth sent me from England a present for me, and I gotta make this video because she wants to see the reaction. So let's see what this is. So fucking excited because she never told me what it was. She always teased me, telling me, "Oh, I did your present," and she always was, "I'm not gonna tell you what it is, it's gonna be a surprise." Gosh, it's taken me forever to open this. Ooh, sorry. Oh my god. A Minion notebook. Let's see what it is inside. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. There are some letters. Oh gosh. Oh. It's so cute, guys. There are so many quotes that I'm gonna read it, but not in this video because they are private. And oh my god, I love it. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Beth. I'm gonna do something for you. And I don't know. Oh my gosh, I'm so fucking happy right now. And also I'm sick because I have the flu. But no way, I will be good. Oh my gosh, I'm so fucking happy right now. Thank you, Beth.